Hi, everybody. My name is Sam Johnson, Partner Success Manager at PayTrace, coming to you from the PayTrace studios. And I am joined by my colleague, Mary Miller, Director of Marketing. Hey, Mary.
Hey Sam, how's it going? Good to be here.
I am excellent. Thank you. Well, today we're going to talk a little bit about our NetSuite solution. Mary, do you want to kind of kick it off?
Yeah, Sam, it's really interesting. NetSuite is, one of the first mid-market ERP systems that was born in the cloud and has been a business and got quite some traction in both the reseller partner community as well as end users. And for a long time, they were one of the only in that space, which really gives that solid enhancement and development life cycle a really good foundation in the market. And so we've partnered with a company called NewGen Business Solutions that we've been working with now for a number of years. And they have a NetSuite only focused practice, right? They're all about NetSuite. They work with NetSuite users. They help implement NetSuite for those users. And then they also add in solutions like ours for AR and payment automation, credit card processing, ACH, all the things that those customers really need to extend that solution so that it works best for their business. Sam, if you could tell us a little bit more about the partnership, since I know you've been working with them a lot longer, that would be great to help our audience understand kind of how we work with them and what they do.
Yeah. Mary, I remember when we first got this integration, this was years ago, back when embedded payments was still kind of this new idea, new technology. How can we get payments into other solutions? I heard that we got NetSuite, and that was a game changer. And that's when we were first introduced to NewGen. And I've got to say, this partnership has been phenomenal because we now are working with NetSuite master developers. And cool thing about NewGen is that they actually won NetSuite Partner of the Year in 2023. So we're working with a very reputable brand that is also able to utilize our solutions and do great things within the NetSuite application, like AR automation, invoicing, recurring payments, basically all the nuts and bolts that accounts receivable teams need to manage their day-to-day processes. They can now do that natively within NetSuite by leveraging PayTrace. So really great technology partner. Like I said, we've been doing this for years now with them, and we've got dozens of clients and merchants that are using this successfully, and it's a really phenomenal solution.
Sam, can you tell us anything about, you mentioned the word integration and how we're embedded in that environment. Can you tell us a little bit about what the integration process was like, in terms of the roadmap, the time that it took, how fast to solution, so to speak, were we able to get up and running with our integration with NetSuite through our partnership with NewGen?
Yeah. Cool thing about having a partner as long as we have with them is that we've worked through really smoothing out that implementation and onboarding process. It used to be we'd have to go through a consultation with the client, figure out all the nuts and bolts of what they're doing, what they need. Now it's to the point where it's let's talk to the client, the business, learn what they need from it. We'll get it implemented. It can be up within a few days to a week. It does vary, but for the most part, it's a very smooth integration, and we're not using like a middleware or any sort of layered application on top of it. This is all going to be native within your technology. It's going to integrate directly into that software that you're using today. So
That's
it's
awesome.
a really smooth process. And what's great is that you get the same 5-star support that PayTrace has always delivered. So if there are questions, if there are issues that might come up, we're extremely responsive. You can pick up the phone, give us a call, and you'll have somebody on the line within 20 seconds or less.
Yeah, that's awesome. And due to our partnership and relationship with NewGen, they also have that development expertise, as you mentioned. So, should there be an issue, they're, right there to jump in and help with something if it works out that they need, to developer support or whatever. So that second level is just so key to have experts literally at the ready.
Yeah, right in your back pocket, which is pretty
Yeah.
amazing. So, yeah, if you're a partner of PayTrace, you're a NetSuite user, and you'd like to learn a little bit more about the solution, definitely reach out to us. We'd love to have that conversation and get that started. Best way to get a hold of us is sales@paytrace.com. Also, we've got blogs, we've got other sorts of really great information to share with you on this integration and other solutions that PayTrace offers. So feel free, reach out, and we'd love to start that conversation.
Awesome. Thanks, Sam.
Cool. Thanks, Mary.